Assalamualaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIABS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akhtar, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 17 and 18. Let's see today's topic from here. Students, our today's topic is chapter 17 and 18, and today we will write one word answer. One word answer also. And this is lecture number 6. This is lecture number 6 and our today's HW number is 6 number also. So dear students, let's begin the class. Students, look at here. This is chapter number 17 and this is page number 41. This is page number 41 and the name of this chapter is weather. The name of this chapter is weather. Let's see what is written here. Talk about what is happening in each picture. There is one thing wrong in each picture. Put a cross on it. Look at here. This is rainy season. In our rainy season, raindrop is normal. And here is we use umbrella. And this is correct. We use umbrella in rainy season. And here is raincoat. Raincoat is using raincoat. This one is normal. But look at here. Here is hanging out the washing. This is not normal thing. We don't do this in the rainy day. So we will cross this one. Now come to here. This page 42 number page. Here is again look at this picture. This is summer season. This is summer season picture. But look at here. We use umbrella in summer season sometimes for protect ourselves from the sunshine, and air conditioner we use, and fan. This is normal. We use fan. We use air conditioner in summer season. Cool drink, we drink cool drink, watermelon, summer clothes, refrigerator, but we don't use woolen cloth. This is wrong here. And now winter season. Winter season. In winter season, we use woolen cloths, we use quilt, we use carpet, heater, hot drink. This is normal in winter season, but summer cloth is wrong here. Summer cloth is wrong here. Students, now come to here chapter number 18. This is page number 43. This is page number 43. And the name of this chapter is water. Look at here what is written. We all need water. We need water to drink. Water is very important for us, for all living things. Look at here. Animals need water to drink. And we use water to bath. And we have to take bath every day. And look at here, animals also like to bath. Animals also like to bath. Students, come to here now. This is page number 44. We need water for many other things too. Like washing. We need water for washing our dishes. For cooking. We use water for cooking. And we use water for cleaning our house. it here. Don't pollute the water. Don't throw waste here and there because it will pollute our water. Students, now come to here. One word answer. Today we will write one word answer. First question here is, which season do you like the most? Which season do you like the most? Here is answer is spring. Answer is spring. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. If you like another season, you can write here that season name also. Now, 2 number. What do we need to drink? What do we need to drink? Here is answer water. Water spelling W-A-T-E-R. Water. 3 number. In which season it is very hot? In which season it is very hot? Answer is summer. Answer is summer. Summer spelling S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. Now students, I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 6 number HW. And here is 3 one-word answer. One word answer 3. 1, 2, 3. Our today's HW number is 6 number HW, and your HW will be one word answer from 1 number to 3 number. From 1 number to 3 number. Here is total 3 one word questions and answer. It will be your HW. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy. So dear students, stay home and we'll see you again in our next class.